This is the FFR Trading Market Minute, and this is a daily candlestick chart of the SPY. That's the ETF for the S&P 500. And last week we were right here, and I had said looking for the market to sell off at least to this support level, at which point we should see the oscillator oversold, which is exactly what we got there. And at that point, I said the market should start to turn back to the upside. We should see some buying coming in. And you see the very next day here, the market gapped down, but by the end of the day, it filled that gap and the market has taken off here. We, in after hours, should be trading higher here in the S&P and probably getting close to this 20-period moving average, and that is off of NVIDIA's earnings. So I expect this week we should test the 20-period moving average. When we get to the 20-period, the next level here of resistance will be up here around that 451.50 area. At that point, this market should be overbought, and we should start to see the market to turn and sell off for a bit. Now, there is an open gap back here that needs, that'll fill about 80% of the time. These gaps do fill. So at some point, we should see the market come up and fill that gap, but I don't think that's going to happen yet. As this will get overbought first, we'll get some type of pullback here, and then we'll see maybe they're going to retest this level, or maybe they fill that gap after that. To the downside, we do have this support here. One of the things I do want to look out for here, as on the daily chart, you can see we're starting to get a little formation here. You've got a shoulder here, a potential head, and maybe working on another little shoulder here. So we have a potential head and shoulders pattern. That's something that we want to watch. If that does break, once that neckline is obvious, that will be a measured move from the top of the head here to the neckline. We could measure that out to the downside. Too early to do that yet, but we'll see if we get a right shoulder that forms here, and we'll take a look at that as we move forward and progress day by day here. Important economic data set to be released next week. Wednesday's ADP employment change, GDP preliminary on Wednesday, Thursday's core personal consumption expenditures, and Friday we've got average hourly earnings, non-farm payrolls, and ISM manufacturing. Hope that helps. Have a great rest of your trading week. We'll see you back next week in the FFR Trading Market Minute.